batch po ng ating mga i-acknowledge na ating mga guests and participants from ADZU, AEO, BCRR, BOP, DWC, CAF, PACCOM, DepEd, DICT, DITTB, DNSC, DSSC, NEA, NCSC, NHA, from the Office of Senator Pia Cayetano, VMMC, BOT, SSS, SKSU, CHR, DOTR, ang ating mga kasamahan sa BJMP, meron pong from BAIS, City Jail, Legazpi City Jail, Angeles District and Bantayan District Jails, IFSU, LLPA, ERIS, Negosyo Center, NCBC, BCRR, and from the media, we have DZMJ, LJ, and Jaryong Tagalog. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng naglalagay ng messages sa ating chat box. Maraming salamat po. And for the copy of presentation, we will send them po together with your certificate. So at the end of our orientation for today, maglalagay po kami ng link sa ating chat box at yun po ang inyong gagamitin as attendance sheet and evaluation form po para po mailagay niyo yung inyong email addresses at doon po namin isi-send ang inyong certificates and soft copy of the presentation. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Hindi niyo po kami iiwan. So na pakinggan po natin ang first half ng lecture ng ating experts. So ibigay ko na po ulit ang mikropono sa ating resource speaker, RD Carlos Coasen. Sir?
Thank you, Ma'am George. So let's resume.